Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and I've got another amazing strategy to show you today. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. So let's start off by opening up a gold chart with a 1-minute time frame. And we're going to add our first indicator called Trend Trader Signal. And here's the one we want, Trend Trader Buy Sell Signals by Unknown. Let's add this to our chart. And we only need the buy and sell signals from this indicator. So let's go ahead and go to Settings and in Style. And let's just uncheck all these other boxes here. And we'll just leave the buy and sell boxes checked, okay? And then hit OK. And now our second indicator will be Cycle Channel Oscillator. Let's go ahead and search for that one. And here's the one we want by Lazy Bear. And we're just going to make one quick change. Let's go to Settings, Inputs, and we're just going to change the short cycle length to 15. Hit OK. So with this indicator, we can see we have two lines in the middle here. We have a red line and also there's a green line here. So with this indicator, whenever the red line is above the green line, then we know we're in a downtrend. And whenever the green line is above the red line, then we're in an uptrend, okay? So let's take a look at our chart to see some entries. So right here you can see we have a sell signal from our Trend Trader Signal indicator, and down here the red line is above the green line for our Cycle Channel Oscillator indicator, okay? So we know this is a good sell signal. And right here you can see where the buy signal is here, and down here right below you can see the green line is now above the red line, alright? And you see the market is going up, so we know this is a good buy signal right here. Here we have another section where the red line is above the green line, and up here you can see we have our sell signal, alright? And you see the market trending downward, so we know this is another good sell signal. And right here's another section where we see the green line is now above the red line, and up here you can see we have our buy signal, okay? So we know this is another good buy signal here. And let's go ahead and take a look at our Euro USD chart. And here's a section where we can see the sell signal up here, and down here below we see that the red line is now above the green line. So here's another valid sell signal. And right here in this section we can see the green line now coming over the red line here, and right above that we have our buy signal, alright? And you can see the market going upwards, so you know this is another great buy signal right here. So you could give this strategy a try, guys, and hopefully get some very profitable results, alright? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.